Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. Marigold Health offers an innovative approach to mental wellness, combining the accessibility of technology with the human touch of peer support. Through their platform, individuals struggling with mental health challenges can connect with others experiencing similar journeys in a safe and supportive online environment. These peer support groups are facilitated by trained professionals who ensure a positive and constructive atmosphere. Marigold Health understands that traditional therapy isn't always accessible or affordable, and their model aims to bridge that gap by providing a more affordable and convenient alternative. The platform leverages the power of anonymity, allowing users to share openly and honestly without fear of judgment. This fosters a sense of community and belonging, which can be incredibly valuable for those feeling isolated in their struggles. Marigold Health goes beyond simply providing a platform for connection. They integrate evidence-based therapeutic techniques into their program, ensuring that users are receiving support grounded in sound psychological principles. This combination of peer support and structured therapeutic guidance sets them apart in the digital mental health landscape. Their platform's design is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for individuals of all technological backgrounds to navigate and engage with the community. Marigold Health recognizes the importance of privacy and security, and their platform is built with robust measures to protect user data and confidentiality. They offer a variety of group sessions to cater to diverse needs and preferences, ensuring that individuals can find a group that resonates with their specific challenges and goals. This commitment to personalization further enhances the effectiveness of their support system. Whether you're grappling with anxiety, depression, or other mental health concerns, Marigold Health provides a welcoming space to connect with others, share your experiences, and receive valuable support on your path to well-being. They offer a valuable resource for those seeking an affordable, accessible, and community-based approach to mental health care. Exploring their website, https://www.marigoldhealth.com, provides a deeper look into their services and how they can potentially benefit you or someone you know. They are constantly evolving and improving their platform based on user feedback, demonstrating their dedication to providing the best possible support experience.